Welcome to Gemewizard's GemeBlog videos, and in today's topic, Fancy Sapphires, Part 1. Pink, orange, brown Padparadscha, purple, violet and color change sapphires. Sapphire and ruby are members of the Corundum family, a group of crystallized aluminum oxides. Both have exactly the same chemical composition, and only small amounts of coloring trace elements distinguish between them. Sapphire appears in all possible colors, such as blue, yellow, green, purple, pink and brown, except red, which is the color of ruby. The term sapphire, when used on its own, refers only to the blue variety of sapphires, which ranges from very strongly greenish blue to bluish violet, while sapphires in all other colors, also known as fancy sapphires, occupy the rest of the entire spectrum and are named together with their associated color prefix, such as orange sapphire, pink sapphire, green sapphire, etc. In the purple to red region, which is also associated with ruby colors, a gem with low saturation of purple-red will be defined as pink sapphire or purple sapphire, according to the tone. In general, there is great demand for fancy sapphires in today's market, even the ones of lighter pastel colors. Sapphire in all colors is the birthstone for the month of September, and the gemstone representing the 5th and the 45th wedding anniversaries. This part 1 video presents fancy sapphires of pink, orange, brown, Padparadscha, purple and violet colors, as well as color change sapphires. Part 2 of this series presents fancy sapphires of yellow, green, white and black colors, as well as star sapphires. Blue sapphires are presented in another video, which can be found in our video library in Facebook or YouTube under Gemewizard. A corundum gem with light tone and low saturation of red, violet or purple is defined as pink sapphire, sometimes also called rose sapphire. It is considered to be among the highest valued fancy sapphire. Pink sapphire has long been considered a symbol of love. It is thought to strengthen the heart, inspire love and forgiveness, arouse passion and help one overcome shyness and express emotions. It is believed to keep balance in the body's metabolism. Pink sapphire colors range from reddish purple to red orange, possessing slight saturation and a light tone, not sufficient to be called ruby. The border between pink sapphire and ruby is vague and differs between different markets around the world. For example, a light red colored corundum gem may be considered as a pink sapphire in the Far East, where the general perception regarding light gemstones is stricter, or as a light colored ruby in Europe, where the term pink sapphire is rarely used. The coloring element of most pink sapphires is chromium. If the crystal includes traces of titanium as well, the sapphire will have a more purplish pink hue. Traditionally, fine-quality pink sapphires have originated from Sri Lanka or Myanmar or the Umba River in Tanzania. They were very rare until new deposits were discovered in Madagascar in the 1990s, in Ilakaka and Andranandambo. Pink sapphires from Madagascar usually include a purplish secondary color, and many of them undergo heat treatment to reduce this. Additionally, pink sapphires can be found in the Pamir Mountains in Tajikistan and in Afghanistan in Jagdalek, 100 kilometers east of Kabul, two sources for high-quality rubies as well. Other pink sapphire sources include Kenya, Thailand, India, China, Australia and USA. Pure orange sapphires are very rare and very popular among collectors, although it wasn't always the case. It was once unpopular and undervalued and changed only when orange became an important fashion color. Brown sapphires in earth colors have also experienced a change of heart rather recently from the unwanted to sought-after gems, thanks to the popular cognac fancy color diamonds in the market. To have value though, brown sapphires must have very high clarity. Though most of the offered goods are of low quality and are fashioned in cabochons and rose-cut styles. Quality browns with pink, orange or red tints, reminiscent of the Padparadscha, do attract demand. Light pink-orange colored sapphires from Sri Lanka are called Padparadscha sapphire, named after the Padparadscha lotus flower. This gemstone is very beautiful and rare, and currently is in great demand by collectors. They are considered the most expensive variety of fancy sapphires. Orange sapphire colors range from the rare orangey red to orangey yellow. Most of the orange sapphires display a yellow, red, or brown tint. Brown sapphires possess the same hue range as orange sapphires, but in medium dark to very dark tones. Pure brown colors are hardly seen in sapphires. The colors of the Padparadscha sapphire range from orangey red to orange, with light tone and high saturation levels, although there is some controversy over adoption of a uniform standard for the Padparadscha color range among gemologists, dealers, and collectors. There are African sapphires which have an orange-red color reminiscent of the valuable Padparadscha sapphires of Sri Lanka, albeit possessing a more brownish tint. These gems are commonly termed African Padparadscha. Orange, brown, and Padparadscha sapphires owe their color to the coloring elements of chromium and iron in their crystal structure. Most of the orange sapphires come from Australia and Madagascar. Other sources include Sri Lanka, Tanzania, and Kenya. Brown sapphires are found wherever corundum is mined, but most are not high quality. Quality brown sapphires are found in Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Kenya, Thailand, and Australia. Padparadscha sapphires were originally found in Sri Lanka, and many still believe that the term Padparadscha should be restricted only to stones from this origin. High-quality Padparadscha-like stones are also found in Tanzania, in the Tunduru district in the Umba River Valley, where they mostly appear in a reddish-orange color with tones of brown and slight hints of pink, in Madagascar, the market's top producer of Padparadscha colors, where they are usually more pink than orange, and in Vietnam, in the Ki Chau district. Other sources of Padparadscha colors are Kenya and Myanmar. Purple sapphires are rather rare and are not produced in steady quantities. Purple and violet sapphires are thought to calm emotional stress and dissipate fears and concerns to re-achieve poise. Purple sapphires are used to improve meditation and psychic abilities. Violet sapphires are believed to help one relate to others and to find one's place. Purple sapphire colors range from violetish purple, which is designated a violet sapphire, to red purple, which is identified as purple sapphire. Purple and violet sapphires contain trace amounts of the coloring element vanadium. Purple and violet sapphires are found in Sri Lanka, Tajikistan in the Pamir Mountains, Kenya, Tanzania, Madagascar, and Myanmar. Color-change sapphires are very rare and are mostly treasured by collectors. The phenomenon is rather distinct in sapphires, and the larger gems with very distinct color change command very high value. Color-change sapphire is believed to release mental tension and relieve depression. Therefore, it is used during meditation to calm the mind. Color-change sapphires display much stronger than the usual color shifting, similar to that seen in valuable alexandrite, commonly displaying purple or violet color in daylight or fluorescent light, and vivid pink under incandescent light. Other rare color change combinations are occasionally seen, such as green to yellowish green, greenish blue to brownish red, and red to brown, depending on the coloring elements within the specific stone. Most color-change sapphires are found in Sri Lanka, Tanzania, and recently in Madagascar as well. Other sources include Thailand, Cambodia, China, Nigeria, Kenya, Australia, and the USA. Sapphire is an aluminum oxide mineral which crystallizes in the trigonal system. The stone's hardness is 9 on the Mohs scale. It has a refractive index of 1.762 to 1.77 and a 3.97 to 4.05 specific gravity. This is the end of part 1 of the 2-part video series on Fancy Sapphires. Please join us in part 2 where we cover additional Fancy Sapphire varieties. This has been a Gemewizard GemeBlog video. Other videos are available for viewing or shall be available soon. For more information, go to our website at www.gemewizard.com or find us on Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube under Gemewizard.